Hello everyone. Today we'll be cooking a very delicious chicken breast, and now we'll be cooking it using just four ingredients. And the best part is that when you cook this chicken breast, this has like a pure protein, and it has absolutely no carbs and no fat. So the approximate value would of the proteins would be 22 grams per 100 grams of chicken breast. So it's a very good recipe if you're planning to gain some muscle mass or for bodybuilding. It's also very simple, very easy, and it cooks in a. It just takes 10 minutes to cook. So we'll just I'll show you how I do it, and we'll begin first with the marination. So here I have taken approximately 450 grams of chicken, and for the marination, first I'll be adding some salt. So just see, this is the size of the spoon. Like I'm just taking around this small spoon. I'm just taking a full spoon of salt to cover the chicken. You could add salt as per your taste. Even if you are having some blood pressure or any problem like that, you could also avoid salt. Next ingredient we would take is next ingredient would be black pepper. We will add a good quantity of black pepper. So we've added the black pepper. The next ingredient I've cleaned is around 7 to 8 medium sized garlic cloves. We'll just add this. So it is very good for your health, and it's a very good magic herb. The last ingredient would be Szechuan sauce. So here I'm using a store-bought Szechuan sauce. You could use any Szechuan sauce of your preference. So I'll be adding 3 full spoon of Szechuan sauce. Keep in mind this is for approximate 450 grams. I like it a bit spicy, so I'm adding a little more. If you prefer to cut down on the spicy part, then you can adjust the taste, and that's about it. Now we just have to mix this very well. Let the chicken coat it on both the sides, so you have to mix it nicely so that it gets all the flavor, and we'll have to marinate this for a minimum 1 hour. So the next I will see you is after an hour. So it's been 1 hour. The chicken has marinated well, and now what we need to do is just the next process is to cook it. So in order to cook it, what I've taken is I've heated a pan out here, and what I will do now is just add a little ghee to this. If you want, you can add oil. It's your choice, but I feel that ghee is a good source of fat, and it's a healthy source of fat compared to oil. So that is why I'll use ghee. You can see this teaspoon is a very small teaspoon. So I've just it's around half teaspoon. So that's the amount of ghee I've just added. It's very less, and we are going to make this a healthy way. So that's about it. Now we'll just pour in the chicken pieces in this pan and just cook it. So I've added the chicken here, as you can see, and we just need to, since this is boneless chicken, now what we need to do is we just need to cook it 5 minutes on each side. So the heat is on medium, and you just need to record the time. It is just 5 minutes one side, then you flip it over 5 minutes the other side, and it's done. So now it's now been around 5 minutes, and it's time to flip the pieces. If you see, they are cooked well. So they have been flipped now, and we have to cook this other side for 5 minutes, and then we are done. So it's again been 5 minutes, and the chicken now is cooked, and now we just have to take it off. If you see, it's cooked very well, and we just need to take it off and put this on the plate. So our chicken is cooked very well, and this dish is ready. So if you want, you can even cut these into very thin slices, and you could even use them in your salads, or you could eat this as a whole. So the dish is very healthy. It will give you a good amount of protein, 22 grams protein per 100 grams. So when you cook it, what happens is the chicken breast would lose around 20% of the chicken breast is made up of water. When you cook it, that water is gone. So you will have to weigh this again in order to get the exact nutrient information. So for now, this is it's smelling very good, and I'm hungry, and I'm just going to eat this. So thank you everyone for watching the video. If you like this content, you please consider to hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel. I have many simple recipes with very minimum ingredients, which I would share with you, which is also very tasty. This dish was also made using just 4 ingredients. So that's it for now. Thank you.